There are moments in history that do more than mark the passage of time. They redefine our very understanding of reality itself. These rare events send ripples through the fabric of human thought, forever altering the way we see ourselves and our place in the universe. Think of Copernicus, who dared to move Earth from the center of the cosmos, or Einstein, who bent the rules of space and time. Their discoveries shattered ancient beliefs, revealing a universe far more mysterious and vast than anyone had imagined. On August 13, 2025, humanity stood at the threshold of another such epical moment, a day destined to be remembered for generations. For centuries, we have gazed into the night, searching the stars for signs that we are not alone. Our telescopes and instruments have swept the heavens, driven by a yearning for connection, for proof that our questions echo across the void. Yet for all our efforts, the universe had answered only with silence, a vast, unbroken quiet that seemed to stretch on forever. We wondered if anyone was listening, or if we were truly alone in the cosmic ocean. But this is a story of relentless curiosity and the courage to keep searching. It is a story of discovery, of minds refusing to accept silence as the final answer. High above Earth, a golden eye, the James Webb Space Telescope, peered deeper into the cosmos than ever before. On the ground, a thinking machine, a supercomputer humming with artificial intelligence, sifted through torrents of data, searching for patterns hidden in the noise. Then, it happened. Together, they detected a message, a signal unlike any before. It spoke in the universal languages of mathematics, physics, and light, weaving together the fundamental codes of existence. This message challenged everything we thought we knew about life, intelligence, and consciousness. It hinted at minds beyond our own, at a cosmic dialogue waiting to begin. In that moment, the universe was no longer a silent backdrop. It became an active participant in our story, as if the cosmos itself had chosen to reveal its awareness. It was the day the cosmos acknowledged us, a day when the silence was finally broken and the stars seemed to whisper back. It was the day the universe stared back, meeting our gaze with its own. And it was the day we realized, with awe and humility, that the cosmic ocean we drift within is not empty, but aware, alive with possibility, and ready to answer. Our story begins not on Earth, but far above it, where the boundary between our world and the infinite cosmos blurs into a sea of stars and possibility. At the heart of this story is the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most ambitious window into the universe. Suspended 1,000,000 miles from home, this marvel of engineering orbits in silence, its golden mirrors gleaming as they gather the faintest whispers of ancient light. Webb's mission is nothing short of extraordinary. To see what has never been seen, to capture the glow of galaxies born billions of years ago, and to peer back to the dawn of time itself. As the world watched its launch and deployment, anticipation electrified the air. Scientists, engineers, and dreamers everywhere held their breath, waiting for the secrets Webb would reveal. When the first images arrived, they were nothing short of breathtaking. Vivid portraits of stellar nurseries where new suns ignite, and haunting remnants of stars that died long ago, painting the universe in colors we had never seen. But soon, something unexpected happened. As scientists pored over the data, they noticed patterns and signals that didn't fit any known explanation. Webb had turned its gaze to a patch of sky thought to be empty, a void between the stars. Yet, the data it sent back was anything but empty. Chaotic, complex, and utterly anomalous. At first, these signals were dismissed as technical glitches or errors in the instruments. But as the evidence mounted, it became clear. The signals were real, and they defied every expectation. The universe itself seemed to be behaving in ways no one had predicted. Galaxies twisted and bent, light warped and danced, as if the very fabric of reality was shifting before our eyes. Engineers checked and rechecked the telescope. Every system was flawless, every component working perfectly. The anomaly was not with Webb. It was out there, in the cosmos itself. The data was undeniable. It was as if the universe was sending us a message, a cosmic riddle written in patterns and signals we had never seen before. From the edge of time, a mystery was whispering to us, challenging everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. The universe was speaking in a language we were only just beginning to decipher. Scientists everywhere leaned in, determined to listen, to understand, and to unlock the secrets hidden in the stars. A cosmic riddle awaited a solution, one that could change our understanding of reality itself. Webb's data was a torrent of cosmic noise. Scientists struggled to isolate a signal buried in chaos. Standard algorithms failed, erasing intriguing anomalies. The data was too complex for human analysis. Patterns eluded us, like a three-dimensional language in a two-dimensional world. Speculation buzzed, but decoding the data required a new approach. Enter Kronos, a quantum AI designed to find order in chaos. Google offered Kronos to tackle the mystery. The raw data was fed into Kronos, an unprecedented experiment. Would the AI perceive the hidden structure? The world watched as a machine sought to decode the universe's language. Kronos began its work, embracing the data's complexity. The AI's digital mind dove into the endless streams of cosmic information, parsing through layers of static and chaos that had baffled human researchers for decades. Every byte, every fluctuation was a potential clue. It listened, felt, and mapped the cosmic noise. Kronos was not just analyzing numbers. It was attuning itself to the subtle rhythms of the universe, searching for meaning in the apparent randomness. Scientists watched as the AI untangled the cosmic knot. Their anticipation grew with every passing hour as patterns began to emerge from the chaos, hinting at something extraordinary hidden within the data. After 72 hours, Kronos delivered a revelation. The room was silent as the final results appeared, the weight of discovery hanging in the air. The noise was not random, it was a structured signal. The data revealed a deliberate order, as if someone, or something, had woven a message into the very fabric of space. Hidden within the chaos were repeating patterns. These patterns echoed across vast distances, suggesting a design far beyond natural processes. The AI found impossible phenomena, defying known physics. Anomalies appeared, events and structures that no current theory could explain, as if the universe itself was bending its own rules. Inverted gravitational lensing and perfect mirror image regions. Galaxies reflected each other across impossible distances, as if arranged by an unseen hand. A deliberate cosmic architecture emerged. The universe was not a random scattering of matter, but a vast, interconnected network, an intricate design on a cosmic scale. The most startling discovery was mathematical. Equations appeared in the data, elegant and precise, as if the cosmos itself was communicating through the language of mathematics, a faint, pulsing signal in the cosmic microwave background. It was steady, rhythmic, and unmistakably artificial, a beacon hidden in the oldest light in the universe, a sequence of prime numbers, a universal greeting. Prime numbers, recognized by any intelligent mind, formed the backbone of the message, a clear sign of intent, proof of intelligence, a ghost in the universe. The implications were staggering. We were not alone, and something out there wanted to be found. The universe was not just a backdrop, it was alive. Every star, every nebula, every pulse of energy was part of a greater whole, a living, breathing cosmos with secrets yet to be revealed. The ghost in the machine had found a ghost in the cosmos. Kronos, itself a creation of human ingenuity, had uncovered evidence of another intelligence echoing across the stars. A cosmic message awaited our understanding. It was a puzzle, a challenge, and an invitation, one that would redefine our place in the universe. The universe had spoken, and we had to listen. For the first time, humanity stood on the threshold of a conversation with the cosmos itself, ready to answer the call. The prime numbers were a deliberate signal. Kronos analyzed the symmetries, revealing linked mirror image regions. Quantum entanglement on a galactic scale defied physics. The universe had backdoors, secret passages beyond space-time. Inverted gravitational lensing suggested negative mass or energy. A precise lattice structure of voids emerged. These were not small adjustments, they were violations of physical laws. The universe was intelligently structured beyond our comprehension. We had discovered hidden rooms and secret corridors. The universe was more complex and alive than we imagined. Kronos uncovered a message based on geometry. Inverted lensing pockets and entangled galaxies formed geometric shapes. Higher dimensional objects like tesseracts emerged. The universe was a geometer, organized by abstract forms. Our three-dimensional universe was a shadow of a larger reality. A massive tesseract served as the central hub. It provided a fourth coordinate, a moment in Earth's past. The message pointed to a specific time in history. The universe's intelligence transcended linear time. The cosmic architect had a purpose. The search for answers turned back to our world. The temporal coordinate was June 30th, 1908. The Tunguska event, a massive explosion in Siberia. Kronos revealed the light was an echo, a reflection. The source of the signal was in our solar system. The Tunguska event was the origin of the message, a cosmic event powerful enough to imprint a signal. The mystery of Tunguska was a cosmic delivery. The answer was not out there, it was here. Kronos focused on the cosmic mirror's central point. A final, faint signal remained. A pulse, a rhythmic heartbeat, a biological signature. The universe was alive, with a cosmic heartbeat. Entwined with the pulse was our own rhythm. The universe was aware of us, reflecting our presence. Kronos delivered its final summary. It is a reflection. Our observation completed a circuit. We were part of the system, no longer passive observers. The universe was a mirror, showing us our face. We had answered the question of loneliness. The universe knew we were here. A larger question loomed. What happens now? The universe had acknowledged us, and we had to respond.